Hey everyone, Luke here with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. This is Crypto Rebound video number 4. For those of you that haven't seen the previous videos, I started a cryptocurrency video a few months ago, back when cryptocurrency was pretty easily affordable. I mean, it wasn't like hundreds of dollars, but, for a few $1,000s, you could get into cryptocurrency, at least own half of one. If you had 5-6 grand laying around, you could buy an entire Bitcoin. So basically, this is the fourth and final video of that series. We started back when Bitcoin was around $5,000 or $6,000, and now cryptocurrency has kind of peaked. It's kind of went up. It's kind of went back down. However, we still are up. If you stayed in until this last video, cryptocurrency or Bitcoin right now is $11,500. So something to kind of keep in mind. So anyways, that being said, we're going to jump into today's video. Let's go. Hey everyone, Luke here. So it has been an incredible ride with Bitcoin. Up here on the screen, I'm just going to kind of type in basically the cryptocurrency website, just the basically Bitcoin price. We're going to go to Coinbase. Actually, right there, we can pull it up on Google. So Bitcoin right now is $11,555, and that's absolutely crazy. So if you remember last Crypto Rebound video that I did, which is Crypto Rebound 3, this was back on June 21st, and Bitcoin was $10,500. Right now, Bitcoin is $11,555. So even if you bought in from last video, back in June 21st, if you bought in on the last video, you would have made $1,000 on every Bitcoin that you bought. Now, obviously, $10,500 is not very feasible for most people. It takes a decent amount of capital to be able to purchase a Bitcoin since they are so high. However, there's other videos that I did. I did Crypto Rebound 1, and it was around, I think it was like $4,000 or $5,000 per coin when I came out with that video. So, for those of you that have stuck around, and for those of you that invested from the very first video that I made about Bitcoin, congratulations, you've basically almost quadrupled your money since I came out with that. So, as you guys noticed, if you've been following Bitcoin, we pretty much saw a spike around a month and a half ago. Bitcoin actually spiked to, it was at over $12,000. I think at its very peak, although you can't see it on this chart, it was like $12,700. We almost hit $13,000 with Bitcoin, and then we plummeted back down to $9,500, and now we're back up to $11,555. I truthfully think that Bitcoin will continue to go up. As far as altcoins, I know a lot of people are asking questions like altcoins, what's my thoughts on them? In my opinion, Bitcoin completely dictates the entire market of cryptocurrency. If Bitcoin performs poorly, all of the altcoins, I don't care how good they are, I don't care how much research is behind them, they're going to fail and plummet. If Bitcoin goes down, they all go down. It's kind of like the phone flipping industry. If Hong Kong and all of those prices are down overseas, the entire market sees a loss or sees negatives that day. So keep that in mind. Bitcoin is actually the most important marker, in my opinion, of the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. If Bitcoin goes down, the entire ecosystem of cryptocurrency will be down as a whole, in my opinion. Just kind of, bringing this to light, when you look at some of the other altcoins, like if you look at XRP price, because Bitcoin went way down, XRP currently is down, in my opinion. Right there, I'm not going to click all these links, but it's like 32 cents, 33 cents. Actually, I could just grab my phone and check just to see what we have going on here for XRP. So XRP is 31 cents. XRP is, I think, either down or basically even from when we started the first cryptocurrency video. And you'll notice that throughout the cryptocurrency videos, I started to kind of lean towards Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin dives, even if it recovers, when Bitcoin dives, it seems like it takes a much longer time for the altcoins to actually recover. So for everybody out there that's kind of wondering, hey, what's your stake with Bitcoin? Are you in it? I have officially sold out all of my Bitcoin. I actually sold out when it was $12,000. Didn't get a chance to do a new video right away. Was out of my office, so I didn't want to submit a video just off of my phone. I kind of wanted to show these prices for this final video, but absolutely incredible. I rode the wave from around $5,000. I had a decent amount invested. I did make good money off it, and it's just absolutely crazy. For those of you guys that are out there that are kind of wondering, how does it feel to make money off Bitcoin? Sometimes when you see Bitcoin spike and when you see it go up, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 overnight, it's like the money doesn't even feel real, which is crazy because obviously, I own the Bitcoin, you cash out, and then what you do with the money is you need to invest into real estate or invest it into something that is a much safer market. With any entrepreneur, with no risk, no reward. So obviously there's risks. For those of you guys that saw my video earlier this week, I bought a piece of land that was very risky, and actually I just got the deed in the mail tonight. So I officially own the land. Everything's clean and clear. That piece of land tax appraised at around $30,000, and as of tonight, it's actually all cleaned up. So tomorrow I'm going to shoot a video tomorrow just kind of showing everybody where the land started at. I've got before and after pictures to kind of show you guys in a video, but it turned out really nice. I mean, the place was an absolute disaster, and it's just like over the course of a few short days, and obviously, had some costs and expense in that, the property looks absolutely beautiful, and it's going to appraise out for quite a bit of money. So absolutely worth it there. But, with anything as far as making good money, no risk, no reward. You have to have some kind of risk in order to have a reward. And really, becoming successful and being an entrepreneur or even becoming a millionaire is really just somebody who takes a lot of calculated risks and has them pay off. You can work really hard to become a millionaire. That's part of it, but you also have to get a little bit of luck along the way. If you don't have any luck along the way, that's going to put you at a big disadvantage because there's some people out there that just get lucky too. So you got to be taking those risks that pay off with a big lucky reward. So, you got to weigh that out, make calculated risks and decisions to, make your money grow. But going back into the cryptocurrency topic, $11,555. It's crazy. Bitcoin is it's just crazy. Honestly, it's amazing that, it peaked last year whenever at like $19,000 and then it crashed all the way down to $3,000. Now it's back up to $11,555. I definitely think that if you want to make money, I think that cryptocurrency is a good way to take money that you have just sitting around and you can make a quick buck with it. But from this point forward, since this is my last cryptocurrency video, I predict that cryptocurrency will probably go up a little bit more, but it might have a soft crash again. When I say soft crash, it might dip $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. Now, the question is, after that, will it continue to drop or will it rise back up? So you have to be kind of careful when you're playing around, with a stock or basically a coin that's worth, $11,000 to $12,000 at a time, especially if that's all that you've got. So remember, when you're playing with stocks and you're playing with Bitcoins, unless you consider yourself an expert or a professional, remember to only invest what you are okay with losing, just in case overnight you fall asleep and the thing completely crashes. You never ever know. So with that being said, absolute incredible ride with Bitcoin. I have cashed out. Obviously you guys saw my first video. I've been in it much lower than what it is now. I can't think of off the top of my head, but I want to say I was in it like 5,000 just from the first video that I shot. Basically, when I put that up on YouTube, I had bought in that day and I pretty much stayed in it. A few times I sold up and then I bought right back in just to kind of level out my average. I bought in a little bit more here and there. But yeah, basically all cashed out at 12,000. So all is good there. And if anybody out there made money off of these videos, please drop a comment down below if you saw the very first crypto rebound video about not missing out on cryptocurrency this time. If you made money off of these free videos, please drop a comment down below. Would just love to see, who out there took my advice, and if you made money, so happy for you. Glad to be able to help people make money off of some, YouTube videos. So once again, very appreciative of all of you watching my channel. Hope this video brings you some value and a little bit of excitement for your Tuesday night, and I also hope that you made some money off of this little cryptocurrency like mini series. Normally, my channel obviously talks about phone flipping, but as I've said before, we're going to talk about phone flipping. We're going to talk about all aspects of business. If it can make us money, if it can make our money grow, chances are eventually I'll be talking about it on the channel. Especially in 2019, we're doing a video a day. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe because we do cash prize giveaways. You've got to be subscribed in order to get those. At 2,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away $200 cash to one lucky subscriber and maybe a couple other small things. So that being said, thank you for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.